I'm a BPC consultant who was involved in the project at Chevron. So my role was to implement on a technical and on a functional way. Chevron Phillips is a company that produces chemicals actually that are then used to produce end-user products. Well, the solution is groundbreaking in the sense that it forced a common approach amongst all business lines and also improved communication for all managers involved actually. The impact on the business was that the solutions was well accepted by the workforce and the management, and the fact that we already received inquiries about future developments. Well, the solution will make it easier for future BI solutions because this implementation is an example of a business user's maintainable product, so with less IT support. Well, the tangible impacts on this organization were, well, first of all, it is not considered as a payout project, but if we will consider it as a payout project, we can say that the time savings for gathering and consolidating the data is really a tangible impact. The intangible impacts on the organizations are cleaner data, improved communications, and more time to analyze the data.
Cisco is an internet networking company. We are well known for our routes and switching. We are actually in different technologies the #1 player on the market. This BI solution we implemented at Cisco is groundbreaking because it was the first time that we were able to integrate internal and external together, which allowed us to look at Cisco as on the competitive market. Much better. We could do 360 degrees down to country level to see how Cisco is performing, and most important as well, how our competition is performing. So it gave us a competitive advantage. With the competitive advantage of this BI solution, I mean that we don't depend anymore on the external data. We can validate that data. With that validation, we can also see how Cisco is performing on the market, but most important, we can see how our competitors are performing on the market, which allows us to see opportunities and challenges, and on those opportunities and challenges we are able to take actions and decisions which hopefully is better for our business. Future BI solutions are already affected at Cisco. We started this solution for the marketing team, but now we already developed it to other departments like the architecture teams we have at Cisco. Also the countries, we started with Europe as a 20 country, and now we are moving it to 120 countries, so the future is set. Yeah, the impacts are both tangible and intangible, because at Cisco key driver is simplification, and this BI solution is simplification. It's simple to use. It's also simple as a one source of truth. We have all data in one place, so it's for sure. One intangible aspect is that the users of this tool, which are high-level VPs, now move from retroactive to a proactive approach, and they can use the tool for key decision making.
I'm Jean-Jacques Hertzens. I'm responsible for the BI in Belgium at Sanofi Aventis. Sanofi Aventis is one of the largest pharmaceutical industries in the world, with 100,000 employees in the world. We are leader in cardiovascular, in thrombosis, in oncology. We have products on prescription and also OTC. We are also leader in vaccines in the world. And in Belgium, we are number 5 in Belgium. And as from this year, there is a big project in Sanofi to optimize the performance, and they are creating MCOs. MCOs are multi-country organizations. And for Belgium, we are part of the new MCO, which is Benelux. So our Dutch colleagues are joining us to create a new Benelux entity. In the Netherlands, they are number 3 at market level. And the challenge of the MCO is, of course, to integrate as much as possible, as fast as possible, sorry, and to be operational as soon as possible for everything, including BI. BI is one of the keystones for Sanofi Benelux. Well, for Sanofi, the solution was groundbreaking because, of course, BI is one of the keystones and the starting points for a successful integration of Belgium and the Netherlands in a new entity. Today we are working in Belgium with MicroStrategy, and in the Netherlands they are also using MicroStrategy but also other tools. So the challenge was to first upgrading MicroStrategy to the latest version in Belgium, and to add the BI and to add the project of the Netherlands in our new Benelux platform, to be on the same BI platform. The impact on the business was, of course, very important, because as from now all managers, sales managers, district managers, country managers from the Benelux will have to have all their strategic data from the same tool. So it was very strategic to be on one tool. And it took us just 5 days with a consultancy of MicroStrategy to upgrade the Belgium project, which was also the biggest project, and just 1 more day to integrate the Dutch project in the new Benelux platform. This new solution will of course make it easier to deploy future BI in the Benelux. First of all, we already started to implement new layers of BI, like mapping tool or geographic analysis tool on the BI project. And of course, we just have to do that once on one BI tool instead of doing that on multiple BI tools. One of the big advantages of this new implementation on our organization is of course that we spare a lot of money by having only one BI tool, and also be able to manage this tool only with 1 people. What is more intangible in this project is that all the users are now on the same platform, and it makes it easier for users from 2 different countries to have the same look on the data. What was in the past not possible.